The Bitcoin halving is upon us and the anticipation is high. Only around 56 days remaining until we see the legendary historical moment where Bitcoin halves yet again. This is a very rare moment, but this is a crucial time, an era for crypto, which will help pave blockchain and Bitcoin's way to being a massive part of the future and hopefully integrated into all societies, first, second, third world. So, without further ado, I bring you to another video. Anyway, let's have a look. Bitcoin halving is nearly here, guys. So April is the day, 2-ish months away from where we currently are. And I just want to kind of touch on Bitcoin really, because I think it's worth talking about very, very quickly. And then we'll jump into some altcoins. So first of all, we were looking at this insane bull flag on this channel right here, and you can see, look at that lovely horizontal channel, and then boom, bull flagging right up to this insane pump here, 57.4k. Can say we have got a bit of a rising wedge pattern here on the 4-hour time frame, and if I'm honest, I'm selling some of my Bitcoin as we speak because I'm moving it into Ethereum, which I personally believe will perform better over the next few months, and you know, because of the ETH ETFs and things that are coming up. So we have insane resistance at $59,000, insane resistance at $62,000. I guess, you know, we are only about $12,500 away from an all-time high, but I just don't think, I'm not 100% sure. I mean, no one is. I just don't think we are ready. I'm waiting for entry point 1, 2, and 3 first, everybody. What I think could happen is, you know, we've had this great run. We are potentially due a 30% correction here for Bitcoin, and I honestly think, you know, if you just look at how far we've come, it's been a massive uptrend here for Bitcoin, guys, and you know, this is beautiful to see, but I just don't think we're ready. It's been pumping for 462 days. Bitcoin's been in an uptrend for that long, and I've not really seen any insane corrections just yet for Bitcoin. I've seen those kind of classic movements to the downside, 17% and so, but if we kind of look at the previous cycle, you know, March 2020's inception, we've had not really a lot actually happen, but we did have this major one, which is very important to look at, and it was overall a 50-something% correction. We've not yet had like a 30+% major correction here for Bitcoin, and I do honestly think that we are due some sort of correction here for Bitcoin, whether it's down to about $30,000. I think that would be the next opportunity to get in, and $30,000 is around that 45% corrective mark, and I think that is what we're going to see here for Bitcoin. If we're lucky, it's your second chance to get back in to crypto, because we're not yet at the top of this logarithmic regression. We're not overvalued truly, but I do think we need to see a pullback here. And Ethereum dominance as well, just looking at this, Ethereum dominance on the week is actually up quite a lot, and I do speculate that we'll see ETH dominance in the market climb up. Looking at you know, big targets of 20+% on the ETH dominance side of things would be really, really good to see. ETH has had a fantastic month. If you bought this at the start of last month, you're up $1,000 on every single Ethereum token that you hold, which is fantastic to see. Remember, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you do subscribe to jacobcrypobury's channel. You know, my name is Jacob. If you want to hit those crypto goals, this crypto bull run, also get yourself down below into that wonderful, wonderful Discord channel, 22,000 great people in it. Now, let's check out very quickly some coins that I've bought in the last 30 days and continue to believe that the narrative for these altcoins is strong. So let's just move into it. First one is Theta Network. Been buying this for a while, and honestly, I'm lucky because I didn't expect it to do this, but I did think it was going to go up at least 40%. Instead, I've reaped a 2x reward. I think this could still go up because the market capital is still fairly young and low in contrast to where it was before last bull run cycle. That's one of the first. You've then got Stacks, which is coming up next. But look, what I'm bullish on this one, tokenomics, 100% supply is in circulation. That's very good. No large injection of supply, which would dilute the value of each token. Next one is Stacks, 80% in supply, $4.3 billion market capitalization. And we can see in the last month, this has soared wonderfully up a 2x. And if we look at the previous all-time high, we're sitting at it. We are in an all-time high. We've not corrected, but it's looking still very bullish at the moment. So Stacks is one that I course to hold, and I think it's a pretty good project and could have more upside potential by the peak of this bull run. I would not FOMO in just yet. I would be waiting now, see if we can get any sort of correction before that Bitcoin halving. Now, Beam is another one that I'm looking at. Total supply of just 62.9 billion tokens. That's quite a lot, to be fair. Over the last year, this thing has really done well. You can see from a market cap point of view, from 300 million to $1.8 billion, and no real clear signs of a corrective phase just yet. We could consolidate around here and potentially make moves up to $3-4-5 billion market cap. So there is Beam. The next one I'm very bullish on. A lot of you know this. If you've been following me for some time, you all know that Say is a great coin to be looking at. $0.8755 over here. Really, really cool project, guys. Now, Say is layer 1 infrastructure, and it reminds me of getting into Polygon Matic, even though it doesn't scale directly Ethereum, but it reminds me of getting into these low cap infrastructure tokens. And at the beginning, of its inception here, it was just sitting at $200 million, and Say did a wild 10x already. So that's fantastic to see. It's holding well. Markets is already on Binance, it's on Coinbase, which is a good thing for exposure, new liquidity and volume. But Say is another one that I think is just really, really cool. So check out Say, do some research on it, understand what the protocol entails. Recently came down to 0.77, lots of buyback and good investor appetite there. So looks solid. 23% of the supply circulating of the 10 billion total coins. Next one is going to be XRP. I bet you didn't expect that one now, did you? XRP $0.56. Let me know what you think about XRP. But I think it's got a good shot at least rising in terms of its value a bit more. I mean, last cycle it hit $79 billion, and this was in 2021. So a 2x. Whoa, what is going on? A 2x from here would effectively, in the market capital value, would double the price of XRP. I do think $1 XRP is still a very, very ambitious target, however, and it's going to take quite a lot of buying pressure to get there. I think we will need the peak of the bull run to really get there. We had a blip recently of XRP up to $42 billion anyway, which is, great to see. But this was, of course, last year, so how relevant that is, not really sure. But yeah, that was that blip there. So 40 billion can absolutely be achieved again. And if you look at XRP, the way it's finding support here is like an ascending triangle kind of motion and narrative. So I think if XRP can break through that $40 billion market capital resistance, then we can see 50, 60, 70, maybe 80. So the upside is there. It's hard to say, but 2-3x opportunity for XRP, I think, could be a realistic way to look at it. Now, remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. The last token will be Solana on this list here. I think Solana's got a long way to go still. Market cap POV, the previous all-time high was 78 billion. We're looking at 47 right now. Now, with the birth and the growth of the dApp world and Solana DeFi ecosystem, I think we still have a lot more room to the upside, considering we're not in a true bull market right now. So yeah, what a wonderful, crazy time to be here in the crypto world. If you are also looking for trading signals and educational insights and content, do consider becoming a crypto legend and potentially a crypto champion if you want to unlock trading signals, which can all be found in the Discord, early insights, next crypto gems, and much, much more. And while you're at it, guys, if you are trading in these hot markets, take advantage of the volatility, sign up to MEXC with tiny fees, no KYC, stay anonymous in this crypto space, and make sure that you use my link down below. More trades equals more rewards, more bonuses, and quick shout out to Meme Combat. 7 days now to go until this project goes live. If you are looking to do the last chance buy before listing, it's currently $0.279. Could be a 2 to 10x potential meme coin here in the crypto space. We had Smog recently go crazy, so I hope Meme Combat is the next one. Also Sponge as well, looking really, really delightful at the moment. Sponge is yet to launch on bigger and better exchanges, so this is another one that will see a lot of volume and liquidity come through very, very soon. And look at that! We hit that price target nearly. We looked at this yesterday, horizontal channel, big breakout of this resistance, and boom, it is moving. It's just big uptrend. So I hope we can see Sponge move forward a bit more. If you're new here, guys, make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think of some of these altcoin picks. Bye for now, stay tuned, and yeah, just get to know you guys in the Discord, hopefully. Thanks for seeing. Peace.